County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville Club Lake, or near Greenville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Cooper, East Tawakoni, Point, Cumbie, Como, Campbell, Cooper Lake, Greenville City Lakes, Big Creek Lake, Greenville Club Lake, Cooper Lake State Park, Lake Sulphur Springs, Klondike, Lake Tawakoni, Lone Oak, Pine Forest, and Tyrone. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 94 and 142. The storm has a history of producing large hail.
Oh, shoot.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.